Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today we're going to look at how you can actually avoid losses trading cryptocurrency. Okay, so how do you avoid losses? So you're going to stick with me from the beginning of this very video to the end so that you can actually understand how you can avoid losses on Bybit. So that by the end of this very video, you will be able to know how to really avoid these losses. Because a lot of people have lost a lot of significant volume of USDT to crypto trading. Okay, so before we dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this channel, do what to subscribe to this channel, like the videos, share the videos, so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. Okay, so let's dive into that without waste of time. So whenever you're trading, all you just need to do is to first of all control your emotions. Okay, you must control your emotions, because a lot of cryptocurrency coin are actually or are really or are highly volatile. They're full of ups and downs. Sometimes you can really predict where exactly the direction will be in the next second. All right, so follow me up. Let's see how we can actually do this, how we can actually avoid these losses. So I'm gonna going to choose a particular coin that I really want to trade. I'll choose this K coin. Okay, I'll choose this K coin now. So looking at this K coin, you just before doing this, you must make sure you have your USDT available, your USDT ready, right? Okay, you're gonna going to click on buy. I have dropped a lot of videos that shows you how to buy and sell cryptocurrency coin. Okay, so if you want to trade feature trading, or you want to trade spot trading, you must set up what we call stop loss. Okay, you must set up what we call stop loss and take profit. So most of the times, what is happening in this crypto trading is that a lot of people have seen a profit already, but they want to get more. Or sometimes you will not be available online, and it will just go up and just return down immediately, which is called pump and dump. Okay, there are a lot of those coins that pump and dump immediately. If you are not available to take your profit, it will go up and also dump with same you in the trade. Okay, so which is this makes the TP, which is what we call the stop loss, very important. Okay, this is what they make the stop loss and the take profit very important. So sometimes it will just go up and you are not available. You just need to set your take profit so that you can be so that your profit can be taken automatically even when you're not available. Okay, and you also need to set your stop loss so that they will not so that you will not be knocked out of the trade, because sometimes you see that you to start going down opposite to your own direction. Maybe you choose long and it's going short, maybe you choose buying and it's selling. Okay, you just need to set your stop loss so that it will not knock you out and liquidate your fund. All right, so let's quickly start setting up this stop loss and also the take profit. So this is what you actually do. What you actually do is that you need to quickly navigate yourself to this place. Look at this. Okay, look at this. That's what we call the TP and slash SL. The TP is the take profit and the SL is the stop loss. Those two are very important. They're highly vital. So this is what we're going to do. You just need to come to this place. I do believe that all of us knows how to trade, because I have dropped a lot of video that shows how to trade crypto coin. Okay, so you're gonna just come to this place. This place is the volume at which you're going to purchase this particular coin, which is this. Okay, and this place, you can drag this to this place in order for you to buy with your whole capital. And if you don't want to buy with your whole capital, you just need to come to this place and insert the particular volume you want. Maybe you want to trade with 100 or you want to trade with 50. Just write it here. Okay, so as it is now, I'm going to go in. I want to trade this particular coin. I'm trading this particular coin with 50 USD. Okay, so I'm trading with 50 USD. So trading this particular coin with 50 USD, I'm going to go into gain, sorry, with 50 USD, I'm going to go into gain a lot of volume here. With 50 USD, I'm going to go into be given 621 of this particular key coin. So the next thing I'll just need to do, you can see this is my max buy, this is my maximum buy. Okay, and you can see this is or let me just change it to 60 USD, right? Or let me just take this one first. So you come to this place to take the to set this stop loss and also take profit, which is very important. You must do this to avoid losses and you must do this to take profit. It's very important. Okay, it's very, very important. So let's come to this place to set our stop loss. You're going to click on this stop loss. Okay, you will not just buy blindly this time. Okay, you're going to click on this stop loss. If you click on this stop loss, this is what you do. So this is what you just need to do. You just need to come to this stop loss and said, okay, I want to sell this particular coin when this particular coin is equal to 0.1. And also I want to exit this particular trade. If this particular volume of coin becomes 0.04, I will be done. I do not wish to continue the trade anymore. Okay, so that when it goes below or beyond that, you will not lose more than you expect. Okay, so this stop loss now will now help you, it will now help you to minimize your loss, and this TP, which is the take profit, will help you to gain your profit, to take out, like to cash out your profit without returning you to the previous stage. Okay, so you just need to come to this place to proceed to buy after having setting all of this. Okay, you come to this place to proceed to buy. So after coming to this place to proceed to buy, it will now bring you the overview, like the review, to show you everything here. You can see this is actually what you say. You say you want to sell when it's 0.1 and you want to also quit the market when it's 0.04, which is here. All right, so you can see it will show you everything here. So I've been showing you everything here. All you just need to do is to proceed to click on buy. You understand? So the moment you click on buy now, your trade will be actually executed, and the moment your trade is executed, you will now start expecting both take profits or stop loss. Okay, so this is actually how you can really avoid losses trading cryptocurrency coin either on Bybit or any other exchange of your choice. I'm going to drop do a class 2 about the Binance so that you can actually understand what exactly we are talking about here, right? So this will brings me to the end of this particular class. If you do have any question, do not forget to do it. So drop it at the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. So do not forget to give us a like. Okay, subscribe if you haven't done that, and also share this particular video so that this channel can keep moving further. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me from the beginning of this very video to the end. I will see you in my next class, and in my next class I'm going to drop you a video that shows you the limit buy and also the limit sell. Okay, this also work out as well, the limit buy. All right, so that you, if you want to enter trade with a particular volume, when you just get there and you are not available, it can just execute your trade for you. So thank you so much. I will see you in my next class. Bye.